business slowing down because of old machines and equipment? Are you experiencing frequent breakdowns? Unauthorized repair shops taking away your peace of mind? As a business owner, what should you do? You need Atlas Copco Gas and Process Repair Shop. Trusted for years by global brands for genuine parts and in-depth expertise. Our global network of repair shops ensures the use of high-quality parts, trusted OEM partnerships, and services that extend the lifetime of your equipment to put machines at their optimum best, as we focus on one critical element.
The life cycle. The life cycle of every machine depends on 4 pillars of performance: quality, OEM support, lifetime extension, and new life stage. But how do we do it? Let's hear it from our experts.
At the core of everything we do is customer satisfaction. As we continue to earn their trust across 180 countries today, we are always driven to consistently deliver quality. And the quality of a product depends on what goes inside the machine. Extending our OEM support to every machine, we use genuine spare parts, revamp and repair the machine, and give an in-depth service intervention. Now, what does that mean?
The machines are as good as new, with lifetime extension. Once the machines have been serviced time and again by our experts with years of experience, the new stage of its life cycle helps the machine run with new peak performance. That's how we use technology to transform the future, to empower the industries that make our society healthy, happy, and harmonious.